Hey, my name is David Marks, and I own Quality Auto Repair and Tire in the St. Louis metropolitan area. And recently, my master technician turned me on to Mechanic Alliance because business had grown and we needed another tech. And he said, "Hey, Dave, check them out. They help shops find technicians." So I reached out to Marvin, Eric, and Dave, and we had a Zoom meeting, and instantly we connected because we all share the same bond, and that is to improve the quality of life for our technicians and our shop owners. So not only does Mechanic Alliance help great techs find great shops, they help great shops find technicians. And I'm super excited to be part of the Mechanic Alliance community because we are the lifeblood of the auto repair industry. Customers now more than ever depend on independent repair shops. That's right, independent repair shops. Then they do the big box stores and or dealers to help service their vehicles. And I know, being a part of Mechanic Alliance, that we will do our part to further better the service that we provide as shop owners to our technicians and our customers. And I'm proud to be a part of it. Thanks.